Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Lecture 17. It is the continuation of ethers and epoxides. It is for BSc Part 2, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2. Today we will see the uses or applications of ethers. Dimethyl ether and diethyl ether produces cooling on evaporation and is therefore used as refrigerant. It is used as general anesthetic because it produces anesthesia without affecting heart and lungs. It is used as solvent for the extraction of organic compounds. It is not miscible with water. It is used for dissolving fats, oils, resins, etc. It provides an inert medium for various organic reactions such as Woods reaction or preparation of Grignard reagent. Ethers are, when mixed with alcohol, used as petrol substitute. Trade name is Natalite. Ethers are also used in perfume and in the manufacture of smokeless powder. So this is all about ethers. Next is epoxides. Epoxides are cyclic compounds. Here in the cyclic, three-member cyclic ring, here we can see the strain in the cyclic ring, and due to strain, its bond length of carbon-carbon is not having single bond length or double bond length. It is somewhat in between 1.47 angstrom. Dipole moment means it having polarity. So high dipole moment, it is 1.88 d by unit. Ionization potential 10.5 electron volt, and strain energy is 114 kilojoule per mole. Methods of preparation. In 1859, Woods prepared first oxirane by the action of NaOH on ethylene chlorohydrin. See here, ethylene chlorohydrin, when reacted with NaOH, we will get oxirane. This is epoxide molecule. Industrial method. Oxirane or ethylene oxide is manufactured by heating ethylene and oxygen under pressure and temperature in the presence of silver catalyst. We'll get oxirane. About 7 million tons of ethylene oxide is prepared by this method to fulfill the world requirements. Ethylene benzene, with when it is reacted with benzoic peroxide acid, will get epoxide derivative. Similarly, cyclohexene, also when reacted with per acid, will get oxygen. Ether may also be prepared by heating ethylene glycol at 500 degree centigrade temperature in the presence of silicon oxide. See here, ethylene glycol reaction. Dargent synthesis. Alpha chloroesters When reacted with sodium ethoxide, we'll get this salt, and when it is reacted with carbonyl, we'll get epoxide derivative. Physical properties of epoxide. Epoxide are three-membered ring ethers. Lower epoxides are in gaseous form. Like cyclopropane, the epoxides are highly strained. See here, bond angle is about 60 degree, whereas in carbon tetrahedral, it having 109.28. Chemical properties of epoxides. Epoxides are highly reactive compounds. Their reactivity is due to the ring opening of a strained three-membered ring. Acid catalyzed ring opening. See here, when it is oxirane, it is reacted with water molecule in presence of acid, will get 1,2-ethene-diol or ethylene glycol. It is a electrophilic addition reaction. Similarly, when HBr is reacted, we will get 2-bromo-ethanol. Ethanol, when it is reacted with in presence of acid, we will get 2-ethoxy-ethanol. With phenol, we will get 2-phenoxy-ethanol. Mechanism. See here, it is just like electrophilic addition reaction. First, this H ion, it is protonated this oxygen and will get protonated epoxide, and then after that it is reacted with water molecule. Water molecule will react on carbon in the opposite direction. So we will get this product, and after deprotonation we will get trans-diol. So by this technique, by this method, we will get trans-diol compound or trans-ethylene glycol. Base catalyzed ring cleavage. Here we can add base also. So suppose we are reacting with sodium ethoxide, we will get 2-ethoxy-ethanol. If we will react with ammonia, we will get 2-amino-ethanol. Mechanism just similar to your electrophilic addition acid catalyzed reaction. Here it is a nucleophilic. So this one is first reacted to carbon, means nucleophile attached to the carbon in opposite direction. We'll get this, then it is protonated and we will get the product. Here also we will get the trans product.